Adjusting your microscope prior to image analysis. Some microscopes allow you to adjust the microscope lamp so it is perfectly centered. Refer to your microscope's user's manual. Check microscope filters. Make sure that the filters you normally use are set correctly. Do this before creating the shading corrector. Adjust the light intensity on the microscope to about halfway using the illumination knob. Do not move the setting after the shading correction. To check the alignment of your camera, use a Clemex micrometer or a sample with at least one particle or spot. Make sure it is in focus and select a feature in your image. Bring your feature to the top of the image window. Next, move the stage horizontally back and forth. Check the feature's distance from the top of the image frame. If your camera is misaligned, your feature will move slightly upward or downward when you shift the stage horizontally. You'll need to loosen the screw on the coupler holding the camera in place, twist the camera slightly, and test again.